welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you guys have been keeping up with my flower inspired series, then thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys keeping up with it and telling me all your feedback. You guys tell me that you're really enjoying this. I have a few more left that I still need to do, which were recommended by you guys. And so today I will be doing a pink, orange, and yellow Plumeria inspired look. I'll put the picture right up here. And this one was requested by Angelina. Angelina also has a YouTube channel, so I'll leave her information down in the description box. She does really amazing, beautiful looks as well. Check her out. So if you are interested in seeing how I am inspired by the pink, orange, and yellow Plumeria, then please keep on watching. I do already have my base on, so I'll make sure to leave all my products that I use down below also. And I am going to go ahead and start baking. I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the NYX Lid Lingerie in Back to the Bone. Applying this all over my eyelids, concentrating here on the lower part of my eyelid. And then taking a brush to blend that out. You can also blend it out with your finger. I feel like blending it out with a brush. Then I'm going in with my iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And I just want to pick up like a nude shade to set right underneath my eyebrow. Right underneath here, not all the way down. And of course you can use a translucent powder for this too. I just want to make sure that when I go in and blend, it's nice and seamless up here. Then next I'll be picking up my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be going in with this yellow down here with a small eye crease brush. And I'm going to start packing this into my inner part of my eyelid, like inner third. Let's pack on the color first, and then we'll focus on blending later. I went in about 3 times to pack in that shade, and then now with whatever is left on my brush is what I'm going to use to blend up here. More than the third, but that's okay because right now when I go in with an orange, we're going to be blending those colors anyway. With that same brush, I cleaned it off a little bit. I'm going in with the orange right next to that yellow we just used. And I'm going to focus this now like in the middle part of my eyelid. I want to make that transition from yellow, orange, and then on the outer portion, you guessed it, it's going to be the pink. So let's make a nice gradient for that. And if you feel like you need a little bit more yellow, you can go back and forth between the yellow and orange for when they merge, like right here in the middle. So I did go ahead and clean that brush off a little bit so I can go in nice and clean up here. We don't want any harsh lines. And after that, going in with this pink for the outer portion of the eyelid. Going back in with a little bit of orange, again, just to make sure that gradient is nice. And you can also see here that I made like the shape kind of more outwards, and then just cleaned it off for a soft blend up here again. Before moving on to the lower lash line, I am going to go ahead and apply my highlight. And for my eyes, I want to go in with this white highlight to my inner corner and a tiny bit here on top for my brow bone. Let's go ahead and add some highlight to my cheekbones as well. I'm using this pink one right here. And a little bit of that to my cupid's bow. Actually a lot of that because I like it a lot on my cupid's bow. And whatever's left on my brush, a little bit on my nose. Let's go ahead and move back to eyes. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing that I did for my eyelids, but opposite for my lower lash line. So I did yellow, orange, pink, and then I'm going to be doing pink, orange, yellow. Clean brush, just running it lightly on the bottom to get rid of any harsh lines that we may have. I'm going to real quickly just finish off my eyes here by just fixing my eyebrows, curling my eyelashes, and adding some mascara to both top and bottom. Is lips. I do want to keep it pretty soft and neutral. Let's go ahead and start off with lip liner. I'm using this one from Becca. This is the Ultimate Lip Definer, and this one is in the shade Toasty. And then right on top of that, I'll be using the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss in Love Struck. Thank you guys so much for enjoyed. I really liked creating this look, and I think not only does this look beautifully inspired by the Plumeria, but I am really getting some pink lemonade, strawberry lemonade kind of vibes. I don't know, what do you guys think? And it is definitely screaming summer as well. I really liked how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!